This is Stadium Truck A Main. Got 11 of you. Stuck y'all in together today. Sean Coyle, TQ, second round, almost ran 7 laps, ran a 6-lap, 5 flat. Alrighty, looks like marshals are good to go. Drivers 8 minutes. Lap 35. And down the front stretch they go, side by side. Open wheel vehicles is never a good thing. And on the left side, a bunch of them getting tangled up right off the bat. Oh, Sean Coyle getting spun around. Leader with TQ. Gonna have to do a little bit of catching up. Russell Stratton looks like he's up front now. We'll have to see how things shake out here. Stratton bouncing his way through the whoops. Look at him come through there. Oh, Jeremy Foss getting it wrong, coming over the big triple. And first lap around, Russell Stratton leading this one. Coyle making his way back up to third very quickly, right behind Ben Hockenson. And now Coyle now up to second. Looks like Foss pulling off. 1:15 down, 6:45 to go. Oh, in the crossover, getting hairy. Leader coming through the whoops. Russell Stratton. Coyle now through the whoops. Should be a good race between Stratton and Coyle. Both of them pretty consistent on their laps as they race. Coyle is catching up though, little by little. Coming up to 2 down, 6 to go. Race number 5, race number 6. 10 scale buggy, A-Main, having ready to go.
6 minutes left.
Order is full. Stratton in that first position, Coyle in second. Stratton coming through the whoops. Coyle now coming through the whoops. Oh, and Coyle on his lid through the whoops. Going to give Hockenson a chance to catch up a little bit, take that second position back from him. Oh, and Hockenson now on his lid. Leader crossing the line. Russell Stratton in second position. Sean Coyle coming through the horseshoe, crossing the line. Ben Hockenson. Is that Bowman? Is that Bowman catching up now to Hockenson? And it is. Hockenson and Bowman fighting for the third position up the left side over the triple. Oh, Bowman taking the inside.
5 minutes left.
Bowman now up to third. Oh, Bowman spinning out on the right side. Hockenson taking the third position back from him. Leader once again crossing the line. Russell Stratton. Here comes Coyle. Oh, about the same distance away from him as last lap. Hockenson on his lid through the whoops to put Bowman back up in that third position. Oh, watching the crossover area and Russell getting it wrong just a little bit, coming through the jump over on the crossover. Leader going to be coming up through some traffic now. Oh, Coyle on his lid once again in the whoops. Sean Coyle not liking the whoops today.
4 minutes left.
And Stratton now going to be coming up behind Davies and Krombach. Not too long from now. Coming up the left side. Oh, and Russell getting it wrong. That's going to put Coyle now up front. Krombach sitting in between first and second right now. Here they come through the whoops. Coyle getting through smooth, Russell getting through smooth, Russell getting around Davies and Krombach. Coming up on 5 down, 3 to go, new leader, Sean Coyle. Russell Stratton right there with him. And here comes Mr. Bowman, still on that lead lap. 2:30 left in this race. Oh. 2:25 left to go. Still a fight for that first position. Sean Coyle out front. Coming up to the line. Sean's going to be running into lap traffic. Sean now right behind David Moore. David Moore in 4th position. Sean Coyle in 1st. Russell in 2nd right behind Coyle coming up the left side.
2 minutes left.
Oh, Russell taking it big. Russell's going to have to fight his way through traffic. Everybody's starting to get tied in. Potter holding 7th. Krombach 6th. Joel Davies 5th. Moore 4th. Bowman 3rd. Stratton 2nd. Leader coming up the line. Leader getting some room to breathe now. Here comes Russell Stratton over the double, triple for stadiums. Just over a minute to go. Through the whoops, they're definitely not stadium truck friendly. Here comes Bowman, still in that 3rd position. And the leader crossing the line, Sean Coyle. This will be his last lap of 30 seconds left to go. Here comes Stratton coming over the double triple. He's going to get one more lap in. He's going to have to make this one count. 2nd position crossing the line with 15 seconds left on the clock. If Bowman can stay on that lead lap, and he does. Joel Davies, you are done. First one done is Joel Davies. And the winner with the red and black stadium truck, Sean Coyle. Sean is done. Everybody's finishing their laps here. Mark Krombach going to take 6th. Chad Potter is going to take 7th. Russell Stratton taking 2nd. Here comes David Moore. David Moore going to take that 4th position. And Jeremy Bowman coming through the double triple is going to take 3rd when he crosses. Russell Stratton leading most of this race up until lap number about 6 or so. Sean Coyle taking the win. Good race, guys. Race number 6. Check them in, line them up.